The Pitman Training Secretarial Diploma is Ireland's leading secretarial qualification. The programme offers the best of both worlds, business and administration. With this diploma programme, you'll get the highest level of training with the practical skills required to confidently work in any business or office environment. The diploma is divided into two parts: core courses and elective courses. Core courses are mandatory and include essential administration training in Microsoft applications, keyboard skills and business, audio transcription, and meetings and minutes. Elective courses are optional, and students are given the option to select the courses most relevant to their career and training objectives, including health and safety, speed writing, access, sales training, bookkeeping, payroll, accounts, and Microsoft Word Expert. After successfully completing your diploma, you'll have the real-world skills and a highly recognised qualification to work in a range of valued and well-paid roles, such as secretary, office administrator, admin assistant, senior administrator, and office supervisor. We have centres worldwide, and our training centre in Kerry is conveniently located at Monavalley Business Park in Tralee, with free and safe parking for all our students. Our modern, comfortable training centres are designed to ensure you have the very best training experience. Training rooms are set up to mirror real-world offices, with comfortable chairs, large multi-screen PCs, and of course a team of experienced and supportive tutors to help you with every step of your training. Pitman Training is a highly respected and award-winning organisation, specialising in career-based training for over 180 years. We now offer over 400 courses, and all are accredited by the CPD Standards Office for CPD points, as well as by a range of partners including Microsoft, Adobe, the Association of Accounting Technicians, BCS, CompTIA Digital Marketing Institute, Engineers Ireland, and many more.
Thank you to all the staff at Pitman for your help and support while undertaking the Office Skills Diploma course.
Saying thank you doesn't seem enough, as they are one amazing team, so thanks a million.
I gained many new skills and I found the course a huge advantage to my job. I would like to thank all the girls at Pitman for their guidance and constant encouragement and motivation along the way. The future is bright.
With the skills and credibility you'll receive with your Pitman Training Diploma, you'll be able to choose the career of your dreams with the very best employers. Our graduates go on to work with some of Kerry's and Ireland's largest employers: and Lom, Zurich Insurance, the HSE, Mater Private Hospitals, Amazon, Apple, Bank of Ireland, Dell EMC, and Sanofi. You won't regret choosing Pitman Training. We're multi-award winning, with unrivaled graduate success rates, offering over 400 CPD accredited courses, from management and HR to tech and software. Established over 180 years ago, we're now Ireland's largest network of independent training centres and a trusted training partner for some of the largest companies in the region. Our friendly team of highly skilled professionals are available to support and guide you, not just during your training, but beyond, until you reach your training or career objective. We offer the most flexible training options, meaning you can complete your diploma by training full-time, part-time, or via distance learning. You can even choose our unique Flexi student option, so you can train at times that suit you. We're now enrolling, so for more information or to request a free consultation with one of our professional course advisors, where you can discuss your exact training and career objectives, contact us now by calling us on free phone 1800 532 632 or visit www.pitman-training.ie.